Ladies and gents, boys and girls, this will be a pretty neat one, mostly because this has my cam in it and it shows a good result for you guys to see. And then on top of that, you get idle clips and a bunch of other things. So this is it's a 2000 or a 2001 5360E regular cab short bed truck. And it has a Pac 1218s, my camshaft, the best cam, quote unquote. And I don't even know what headers, it really doesn't matter. It has long tubes and a K&N filter kit. Other than that, it's the stock intake, the stock injectors, stock rails, stock. Even stock 342s. The only thing it has also that isn't stock is it has 32-inch rims and tires. They are chrome GM takeoffs from some year, and yeah, they equal out to a 32. I'm positive if it had less rim and tire that it would do a little bit better also, but it did amazing on pump 93. It made 326 rear wheel completely out of injector. So he's going to need injector to do much more, but that's usually the cap on these trucks and truck injectors. So it's good where it is. It runs out and it's still in the mid 12s air fuel wise. So it's right there. And that's what we see commonly with like heads cam, everything else. So I'm going to get some overlays for it. I'll show the dyno runs first and then this, and we will go from there.